We are today, lovely day, it's a bank holiday, August bank holiday, it's 27th, I'm not sure, and we're on Kiverton Park Canal. Not fishing like you'd expect us to be, we're magnet fishing today, with my grandson Daniel. Somebody fishing up there, he's getting some roach, just been chatting to him. Seen a couple of pike and a carp. Not big. Last time I come down here with magnet, got a couple of old rod rests and some nice forceps, so it went in V. What's it called? Somebody's rod rest. Another redneck fishing tackle. There you go, magnet whip float on. This is where the big pike was spotted. Took a duck, took a mallard last year. Didn't eat it, but took it. Mallard drowned, I think, and must have broke its neck. And 10 minutes later, I think it was a mink that come and took mallard. Don't think it'd be an otter, not him. Come down to, you're bouncing it, bounce it. Go up there. Feel out. Hey? What you got? Not to film me carrying something, there's got to be something. This is where all boats moor up. Well, what few come. So. Let's have a look at our rusty nail collection. Oh yes. Try again. They've dropped out in here, probably here. So far, a few nails. Keep bouncing it. Bounce it. They're not very good sided. You have to keep them facing bottom.
Yeah.
It's quite deep here. Do you think it's a yard deep? We got some. Where is it? Whoa! It's fire! Oh, it's a fire extinguisher. Just I thought it was a bomb. It's a fire extinguisher, isn't it?
I think so.
I bet that's fell off a barge. That.
It was.
Just hold it there. That's it. Daddy Chaddy, well done. You know. Sorry for swearing. Hey. That's got to have fell off. Yeah, can I just say, just have a look around.
Oh, yeah.
That's got to have fallen off a boat.
That's fell off, so I'm sure something else has got to fall off.
Got all the way up this vented thing. First find. You got some?
move. It might have.
So yeah, they might have had a spill here. So I heard something crack then. Did you hear it? You got something?
Yeah, I think so.
It's another. Ooh, they fell off a boat then.
No, it's fine.
Expensive fall. Might be in tight, this one.
Could be.
Try a bit further out, it might have glided out. No? No, all that. Well, there's a fire extinguisher down here, but we've settled for a battery. Fines are pouring in. Try again. You've picked something up red. It looked like a fire extinguisher again. Try all round. It's got to be somewhere there. Can't have glided out. They're too heavy, I think. You had it at one stage.
I know, I had it and it was rope.
You think we've got it? Yeah, rope's tight. Oh yes, oh yes. Wait, hold it there. Don't risk pulling it in. Is that oh? Yeah, that's got handles. Got levers bashed off. Go on, get the magnet off. Try this bit, last bit. We'll just pause it a minute.